What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Let me see. Let me check YouTube real quick. Okay, guys. If you guys can hear me, please um, type a comment in the comment box. Say web design. Say web design if you guys can hear me. Type in the comment box web design. Sorry, we're a little bit late, guys, for the webinar. So if you guys can hear me properly, type web design into the comment box. We're about to get started, guys. As soon as some more people get on the live. Please share, guys. Please share this video so we can have some more people on the live. Yes, good afternoon. Um, good, good afternoon. Oh, good evening. All right. If you guys can hear me, please type web design into the comment section so I can know that you guys can hear me. Because I'm doing the audio test right now, just to make sure that you guys can hear me before we get started, okay? Okay, I'm just saying something about the resolution. Just gonna close that. I don't want to do that right now to mess my stream up. Um, Sorry for being late, guys. Once again, please, guys, just share the video. I'm waiting on some more people to get on online so we can start web design. Okay. All right. Let me see this right here. All right. Only hope everybody have the link, the correct link to get on the live. Only hope everybody have the link to get on the live. Okay. So basically, guys, I'm just waiting on a couple more people to get online. I see two people already. I know that I am late to start the webinar, but I'm trying to what we're trying to achieve here. We're trying to get everybody online so we can start the webinar and also can answer all the questions you may have all at the same time. All right, so I'm just gonna go over here to the builder real quick, and see what's going on right here. Okay, guys, so yes, we also have one person watching right about now. I'm going to get started in just a minute. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just gonna go through this real quick, so you guys can know what we about to achieve in this webinar. Yeah, so I'm basically waiting on some more people to get online. They said they was going to be online soon, so I'm just waiting on them to get online so we can, you know, get this going. Okay, guys. So as you can see, this is Quack Builder 2020 web design. So in this webinar, I'm going to be talking about how you guys can build and manage your website and how you can take your website from nothing to everything, okay? Yes, guys. So I'm just waiting on everyone to get online, guys. I'm just waiting on some more people to get online so we can start the live. We can start the website web design to start building some website and talk about how you can take your website to the next level, so you can start to receive more customer, how to set up a website for payments and all that. Okay, so I'm just waiting on a couple more people to get online, and then I'm just gonna get started. Okay, please also keep in mind, guys, that you can also watch this webinar back over again when it's all over, okay? Okay, guys, so if you guys can hear me, please type web design in the chat box so I can see that you guys can hear me. Okay, yeah, I can see that a couple people is saying hello. Hello, guys. You guys can hear me. Type web design in the chat box if you guys can hear me. I see Damon. Yes. Just type web design so I know my sound is working so we can get started, guys. I know earlier I was trying to fix the sound to make everything work. Okay, I see one web design, yes, so I know my sound is working. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. So I know that my sound is working now, and I'm gonna get started. You guys can keep the question coming. I'm gonna demonstrate a couple stuff first, and then I'm just gonna come back to the screen and try to read the comment, and then I'm gonna try to answer all the comment from oops, what I do? Yeah, and then I'm just gonna answer all the comment because as you can see, I can't multitask on my computer. I have to do one thing before another. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Yes, I can see the web design, so I know you guys can hear me properly. Um, just to make um, just to make sure that you guys know that it's me, Shabar, and I also have my fiance right here with me. My wife, Trishana Danje, she helping me to see you guys comment, and she gonna help me follow up with you guys. Okay, so if the question is coming too much on me, she gonna help me out. Okay, so please get used to Trishana. She is next to me. She pretty much can do whatever I can do because I teach her. She know the software and she know how to do everything. So any question you may have for me, you can also you can also ask Trishana, and she will definitely, help you guys with that. Okay, so basically, guys, this is a slide I put together. Um, Shoshana put together, sorry, for me to go through to let you guys know what we do here at Quack Builder and what you should expect and how Quack Builder can help your business and take your business to the next level. Okay, um, so basically, this is Quack Builder Webinar 2020. Okay, and web design. We are professional, and this is my name. It's my full name, Shavar Russell. If you don't know, that is my name. Okay, and you can contact me at Quack Builder at Facebook/Quack Builder, and this is IG at Quack Builder. Also, you can contact me by email via a email anytime at quackbuilder at gmail.com. That's actually me as well. It's not here, but I'm just telling you that so you guys can know that information as well. Okay, so basically, with Quack Builder, this is what we're going to go through. Okay, so this is a basic step to a complete Quack Builder webinar website. Okay, so basically, these are the steps that you have to take to build a perfect website. Okay, these are actually the steps. Using Quack Builder or not, these are the steps to build a website. Okay, you don't have a couple step on here because with Quack Builder you do not require it because Quack Builder take care of all those other complicated stuff. Okay, so we only have these steps that you have to follow to build your perfect website. Okay, so all right, I'm going through this because this is regarding if we do it for you or not. It's the same, but if you decide to do a website for yourself, just to let you know, these are the steps that you have to go through. Okay. All right. So step one on this information right here. If I click here, as you can see, say register for a Quack Builder account. Okay. And basically, what a Quack Builder account is, all you have to do is sign up. And once you sign up to to the Quack Builder website builder, it will take you through a wizard. Okay, so basically what the wizard does is to set you up to start building your website. Okay, so as you can see, this is the way it look, and I just take a picture of the actual home page of Quack Builder. But this is the way it look. Okay, and this is a home page, and you can click the create a website button right here. Okay, and I'm going to show you this in real time too. After I finish with the slide, I'm going to go over everything again step by step, just to let you guys understand how it is. Right. Right. Okay, after the slide, I will do it. Shoshana tell me that. Thank you, Shoshana. Right, she keep me organized, so I appreciate her for that. Okay, so all right, so the next step, if you're doing it by yourself, I'm just giving you because
How to register? You got to go into this.
yeah, I'm gonna do that after the slide, right? So
No.
do it now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So she gave me another great idea. So she said to do it meantime I'm going through the slide so you guys can understand. That's a brilliant idea. Okay, so all right. So basically that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, let me look and see if any comment. Oh my God. Yep, yep, yep. Okay, okay. All right, guys. So I'm switching from screen to screen right here just to, check on you guys every now and then. But just keep the comment until I finish demonstrate. Then you can ask me all the question in the world. Okay, guys? All right. So let's go back to Quack Builder. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, so if I click the logo, you go back to Quack Builder. Okay, so this is the home page. This is the button that I was still talking to you about earlier. Okay, so this is the button that you can click to create your account, right? So this is the wizard. Okay, so it take you to the wizard of you creating your account to start building your website. Okay, so if we don't do the web design for you, because we have our web design package separately from the do it yourself, if I scroll all the way down right here, right, if I scroll all the way down right here, as you can see, this is our web design information. So you can, if you click this button here to learn more, it's going to come up to this page because this is our web design page. And it's going to prompt you with this pop-up asking you what kind of website you want us to build for you. Okay, so what we do, we take all this information you submit, and we know what kind, we get to understand about your business more. Okay, so we can build that particular website for you. So you can choose a normal website if you need a normal website. If you need an e-commerce website to sell your product and services, you make sure you check the right website that you need. Or if you even need a funnel or a landing page, you can just check the one you need. Or you can check both if you need them, if you need both of them. Okay, and then you just put in your information such as your name, email, phone number, country, and then type the message you should use to describe what your business is about. And when you click request a free quote, we will look at all that information you send to us, and then we will, know understand more about your business, so we can give you a better quote. Okay. All right. So that's that for this page. Okay. So let's get back and track right now. Okay. So if we go to Quack Builder, as you can see, this is the home page again. If I click the create your account, I'm just gonna put some random stuff in here just to let you guys see how Quack Builder work when you're doing it from from the start. Okay, so this is the registration side of Quack Builder, and if I go back to the slide, this is where we had where is that
We only on
it's only under right.
the slide. Yes.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Okay, so it's not on the slide right there, but it's gonna be after this. Okay, so basically,
You're
guys,
moving on without the slideshow.
right? I move on with the other
The
side.
slide is to keep you organized, and You going all
Right.
over the place.
All right.
So go
Sorry for that.
register, then go back to the slide, and go number two, then go
And
back.
then go this one.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Sorry for that. So yeah. So basically, this is the next step when you click the registration. Get started. Come to here for you to register for an account. Okay. So I'm just gonna put some information in. I'm just gonna say probably it recognized me already because I do this so much time. So I'm just gonna put Quack Builder 25 at gmail dot com. Okay, guys, and as you can see, my name is Shavar
You miss
right
the
there. Oops, I missed a word.
L.
Oh, EUILDER.
Mail.
Oh, MAIL. Sorry for that, guys. See, Trishana is really good at catching these stuff, but she just correct me about the email. Okay, so all right. So the password, you can create anything for your password, right? Please make sure you remember your password. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my password, and I'm gonna say United States of America, and I'm gonna click that button, say I am not a bot. Okay, and then it's gonna say select image with boat. All right, so I just have to find some boat in this picture and just click verify. All right, it's just to make sure you're not a robot. Then when I click submit, the next place it take me is to the team page. Okay.
Okay, that's it. Go back to the slide.
All right, so let me go back to this slide. Okay.
Now, the next step in building your website is.
Right. Oops. All right. So let me see something right here. Give me 1 second. All right. So it take me to the price page. Okay, guys, and that's the next step and to the slide. As you can see right here, that's the next step. So choose a plan. So I have to choose one of these plans to get started. Okay. So basically that's what this is. So I have to choose a plan, and when I finish choose a plan, I can take either one of these. Okay, but please keep in mind that these plan come with different features. Okay, so as you can see, the $6 features is you only get this, and the business you will get a lot more
Start
stuff.
from this one.
Okay,
Start from this.
but the 79, the growth plan, is basically you get way more value for your money. Okay, and it's the 79 per month. I'm not gonna be going through all the things that you get with the growth, but you can check that out on your own time. Okay, so if you go through the process, you can basically see, what's the difference with the plan, and you can go from there. Okay. Okay, so the next thing, guys,
Go
like
back to the slide.
I'm just gonna go back to the slide. That's what Shauna said.
Next step.
And the next step, you're gonna
Talk more about the theme before you go to the theme.
right. And the next step, you're gonna choose a theme. Okay, guys. So a theme is basically how your website looks and feel. Okay, so just think about your business, think about the industry of your business before you choose your theme. Okay, and please keep in mind too, guys, that you can preview the theme and see if you like it or not. So these are few couple themes that I choose from the theme gallery, just to let you know what kind of themes I was looking at to choose to get started to build my website. But you can choose any theme that in your industry. Okay, and I'm just gonna come right here. Let me go to the theme section of the website. All right,
This will
so
be the next step in building.
right. So that's you guys already know that's the next step. Okay, so this is the theme section.
So we went to register your account.
Right. So as you can see, guys, let me go back over here again.
So
You're gonna register your account. You're gonna choose a plan, right? And then it's gonna take you to the theme. Okay.
we go to
So
the theme.
right. So when you go to the themes, guys, basically this is where I'm at right now. Okay. So when you go to the themes, as you can see, there's a lot of themes you can choose from. Okay. We got tons of teams, and we always keep making new teams. Okay, each and every day we've been working on new themes. Okay, so we release themes is vary. Like sometimes we do it about months, sometime here. So it's all depends. But we make a lot of teams. Sometimes we make 20, 30 teams, and then we just release them. Okay, so we always have fresh new teams, and we always have fresh new themes in different industry. Okay, so let me scroll all the way back up, guys. As you can see, the theme is differentiated by the category. So if you're on an e-commerce store, you can choose e-commerce, sorry, and it will differentiate all the themes regarding to e-commerce. Okay, landing page, it will definitely differentiate it and give you all the themes that have landing page. Funnels, if you want to build a funnel, easy. Just click funnels and it will come up with all the funnels that you can choose from. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna go back to website, and also, guys, when you register, when you're trying to choose a theme, just to make it easier for you, you can differentiate it by arts, art, business, church. If you're, if you're like a church organization kind of person, you can differentiate it by church, and so on and so forth. Fashion, etc. Okay, so you can differentiate the themes, and we do this just to help you to choose a theme in your industry, because sometimes it can be really confusing when you have so much themes to choose from. So that is why we did this up here. Okay, restaurant, you click restaurant and you get some food theme. Okay, all right. So I'm just gonna go back to hall, guys, and today I'm gonna be doing like a demonstration and a funnel, because a lot of people are asking me about funnel, and I just want to touch directly on funnel in this webinar. Okay, so basically, guys, as you can see with Quack Builder, you can build any kind of website, no matter what the website is about, or no matter what kind of website you want to build, you can build a website with Quack Builder for that, or a funnel, or a land, anything you want, any kind of website you want, you can definitely build it with Quack Builder. Okay, so as you can see, guys, there's so much themes to choose from for the funnel. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna scroll through and try to choose a funnel that I can modify live in front of you guys, so you guys can see how the process work. Okay, so right there, as you can see, guys, I can view the theme before I choose it. Okay, and when you view the themes, as you can see, the preview is over here. This is exactly how the theme's going to look. Okay, and up here, as you can see, these are the steps that's in the funnel. Okay, so this funnel have a 3-step. Okay, it's a 3-step funnel. Okay, you can make as much step as you want, but with this theme, we make it 3-step. Okay, and as you can see right here, you can preview it on desktop, and you can preview it on tablet, and you can preview it on mobile devices. So as you can see, all the themes is well optimized for all devices. So no matter what kind of device you have, your website will be looking beautiful and stunning. Okay, all right, let me look over here to see if we got any question. And okay, okay, I see that. Say thank you for showing the funnel. Yes, thank you. All right, so yes, so basically, no problem, no problem. Purpose Age L11, no problem. That's why we're here to answer all the question you may have, and to touch on everything, every kind of problem you have. Just let me know, and I will definitely, show you guys how to fix them. Okay, and if you need any answer for anything, we are here to help you guys. Okay, we are here to help you to grow your business, to become successful. Okay, so anything you need, just let me know, and we are here to help. Okay. All right. So the funnels. A lot of you guys need answer about the funnel. So basically, that's what we're doing tonight. Okay. So the funnel is like 3 step. We already talked about that, and this is the preview of the funnel. If I don't like this funnel, I click the X right here, and it take me back to the themes section again. Okay, so now I can choose a different funnel. Okay, I can choose a different theme. Okay, so if I click View this theme, as you can see, this funnel also have 3 step. Okay, but I want to show you guys when there's more than 1 step. Okay, so let me preview this one. There's like so much theme in here that I don't even know again which one is 3 step or 4 step or okay. All right, so as you can see guys, this funnel have so many step in there. This funnel have 6 step. Okay, and please keep in mind guys, you can delete step and you can add step. Okay, so if you get a funnel with less step, you can add as much step as you want. Okay, all right, so let me click off this funnel. I'm just gonna choose a funnel that have 3 step. Okay, that's what we're gonna do today because I don't want to be like try to change all that stuff when I'm trying to demonstrate to you guys how the funnel work. Okay, so basically as you can see, this is a funnel. I preview it, I like it, I go up and I go down, and then I was like, okay, I like this funnel, so I want to use this. So I click Start with Funnels. Okay, as you can see, what it does, it take me back again to put my name and stuff. Okay, because I never log in, so that's why it taking me back through here. But I can just do that. Let me see. Should, I think I should probably log in and see. I'm just gonna log into our account real quick, guys, and see. Cause it want me to create another account. Oops. If I can remember this one. Okay, there we go. All right, so let me come back right here, guys, because it take me to my account because I never want to create another account. Okay, so let me go back and say funnels, and then I'm just gonna choose a theme, right? Real quick. Let me preview this to see if it's 3 step. Okay, this is a 3 step funnel. I just log into my account because I never want to create a new account. But for you, it's going to be the same thing, okay? And then you just click Add Funnel. Then it's going to tell you to name it, okay? You can give it any name you wanted, okay? For this one, I'm going to say Live. I'm just going to say Live Webinar for this one, guys. And then I'm just going to click Create.
After this, so they can get questions.
Okay. All right. So Trishana just give me another awesome idea. So after this, guys, 5 minutes. What is it?
A 5 minute intermission.
A 5 minute intermission. So
y'all can they
so I
ask
can
questions.
answer some questions. Okay.
They can get their questions together. We're gonna come back and then you're gonna answer questions from what you already presented before.
Okay. All right. So 5 minutes. Just put some question together, and then we're gonna take a little break, and then come back, and then we're gonna read all those question and try to resolve all those problems. Okay.
We're gonna just
Instead of waiting all the way till the end of the live. Okay. So all right.
just the questions from about what we already went over, not all their questions.
Yeah, but the question that we already went over. All right. So yes. Um, this is Dinah Harper. Okay, Dinah Harper. Yes. Thank you. So yeah, definitely, as you can see, guys, we inside of the funnel right here. So I'm gonna show you guys how to easily, change stuff, how to change image, how to change a video, how to change everything. Okay, guys, and please throw those questions When we come back in 5 minutes, you can throw us some question. We can answer those, and then we can come back to designing. Okay, guys. So just give us like a couple minutes, and then we shall be back. Okay.
You set the timer.
So all right, I'm gonna set the timer for like
5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay? And we can also do this in Quad Builder so you guys can see it, okay? So I'm just gonna go to the timing clock right here, say countdown. I'm gonna drag it in, and then it's gonna say counting time, and then I'm gonna put 5 minutes in here. Okay, guys, so you guys can also see the minutes that we're working with, all right? So, um, all right, guys, in 5 minutes, I'm going to be back. I'm just going to grab some water. My throat is really dry. Um, so I can continue with the webinar. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be back. Put some questions together for me, and I will definitely answer those right now. So this is 5 minutes. Okay, guys, I'm running upstairs to get some water and come back. Okay, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, so I'm here to answer a couple questions before we go um, into editing and to more stuff about the funnel. Um, I have no questions so far. Okay, all right. Wait. Hello. Yes, hello. Hope you can hear me. Everybody, hope you can hear me. Um, I'm trying to find question. Okay, so no question so far.
That's good.
Nobody at
We're
all
gonna go
have
through
question.
a few more. We're gonna go through a few more. Go through this funnel. Go through a few more of the steps, and then
Right.
come back,
Okay. So we're gonna go to the funnel and go to a few more of the steps
and then open up for questions
and
again.
then open up for questions again. Okay, guys? So basically, as you can see, guys, this is back to the slide again. So we learn about choosing a team. Um, After choosing a team, guys, you're gonna take to the color palette. You have to choose a color for your brand and so on and so forth. And this is how it would look, the wizard, okay? And the wizard will come up and say, branded logo. You have to add your logo in here, and then it's gonna say brand with a color, okay? So just put whatever color your business is about, and it's gonna brand all the pages, all the button, everything globally, okay? So that color that you choose right here is going to be on every page, so that's going to be your brand color, so you're going to see more of that color throughout your website, okay? All right, so that's the wizard, and then it's going to take you to the builder, which is where we at right now. We at the builder, okay? So as you can see, this is the builder, and if we go to the PowerPoint presentation, you can see the same thing right here, okay? But it's just a different theme, okay? But it's the same concept for all the themes that you choose, okay? And then next we're gonna be talking about, guys, domain name registration. We're gonna talk about domain name, okay? So every website have to have a domain name, okay? A domain name, it could be your personal domain name or it could be your business domain name, okay? And we're gonna touch on this topic some more. But first, I'm just gonna go over the funnel. Yeah, because it's supposed to be. Yeah, so basically we're gonna touch on this topic a little bit more because it's kind of different from what we're doing now. Okay, but Quack Builder, as you can see, Quack Builder also give you a subdomain so you can build and preview and see everything on your subdomain before you actually get a domain name. Okay, so you can get the domain name last after you finish design your website, or you can get it first and then wait until you build your website, then you link them both together. Okay, so basically that's how a domain name works. Okay, and then later on after that, we're gonna be talking about what's coming new onto the builder.
You skip.
We're gonna be no, don't skip. We're gonna be talking about what's coming new to the builder. I go to all of them. And okay, guys, so basically, I'm just gonna go back
That's
to the
dumb.
to
Like,
the builder. No, look, I'm here already. So after that, guys, as you can see, we back here onto the funnel. Okay, so basically, guys, the funnel. Oh, let me see if you guys have any question again. No question yet. So everybody be understood in everything that I'm saying. Type a yes if you guys understand what I'm saying. Or type a no if you don't. So I can know where we at. Okay, guys, I'm waiting on you guys to reply. Just type a yes if you understand. If type a no if you don't. Okay, so yes, one person understand. Okay, so all right, no question yet. So I'm just gonna continue to start the funnel. Okay, all right. So basically, guys, as you can see, right there is a funnel, right? So you can double click, and swipe, and then change the stuff that you want. Okay, so I can say I'm just gonna demonstrate everything that I change. I can say welcome um, to our, I'm gonna say our live webinar. Okay, and that's how easy it is to change something. Okay, and every changes that you make, guys, if you look on the top right, you can see disagree, discard, sorry, discard, or you can say save changes. Okay, if you like what you do, you click save changes. You don't like what you do, you click discard. Okay, and it will refresh and give you back it to default. Okay, so I'm just going to click save for now because I actually like what I just did. And then you can, double click again, and then you can change um, the subtitle. Okay, you can say, I'm going to say, whoops, I'm going to say you will learn how to build your new stunning website. Okay, I'm just gonna do a demonstration stuff like that because this is just a demo website that I'm trying to let you guys see the changes that I make, so you guys can do it the same way how I do it, so you guys can have your website looking stunning, professional, and beautiful all the way across. Okay, all right, so things you need to know about Quad Builder. Okay, what make Quad Builder so great is it's so easy to make your spacing margin between the words and every element onto the builder. Okay, so as you can see, everything you hover, there's a light box that comes up that you can click and drag to make the spacing of the different blocks. Okay, so this is how you space your block. Okay, um, the everything from each other. Okay, and you have big space. Sometimes you have to make big space, and sometimes you got a little small space like that. You just hover until you see that box, that white box, then you pull it down. Okay, so that's the way how you should space each element accordingly. Okay, so you don't want to space it too much because that's not a good design. Okay, that's not a good design. All right, so you have to space it away where it's look professional and stunning at the same time. Okay, and if you need more space at the top, you can pull it down a little bit. If you want to show more of that man back there, you just pull it down a little bit. Okay, and if we like that, we just click save. Okay, and the next thing, the first thing you want to do when you come inside Quad Builder is to, you know, to change, to upload your logo. Okay, you can write your logo name, your company name inside of Quad Builder like that, or you can just add a picture logo right there. Okay, for now I'm just gonna just type my company name. Okay, I'm just gonna name it Shavar. I'm just gonna say Shavar Live. Okay, and for the slogan right there, I'm just gonna say we do web, just gonna say web design. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going through demonstrating to you guys how it works. Okay, all right, so enough of that now. Okay, so as you can see, there's a video actually on this funnel, and please keep in mind I have to put all your contact information and so on and so forth. But as you can see, there's a video on this page, okay? So all you're gonna do, you're gonna add your video in, you can double click it and it will pop up this box right here, and you can just add the video URL from YouTube right in this box right here, and it will populate in the player, okay? And this, you see this picture right here, this called a custom thumbnail, okay? If you do not want a custom thumbnail on your video, all you have to do, just click that box right there and it just show the video as it is, okay? So you can always overwrite that with a custom thumbnail if you want to, okay? You can just change the picture and etc, etc, okay? So I'm just gonna leave it with the thumbnail for now, and I'm just gonna click save. And with Quack Builder, you can preview your work if you click website preview right here. You see this eye, so you click the eye and it gives you an actual preview of the website. But when you click show in a new tab, it's going to come up here and it's going to tell you, and it's going to show you, sorry, exactly how your website going to look for visitors, okay? So this is exactly how we build it in Quack Builder. It looks exactly as a user perspective, okay? It looks exactly the way a user gonna see it, all right? So as you can see, I just add this countdown clock on there just for you guys to know when we getting ready back with the webinar. I don't need the timer, but just for an example, it's there as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna come back here and I'm just gonna remove that clock by just clicking it one time and just click delete, okay? As you can see, the clock is gone. And if I save it and I go back to the preview and I refresh the page, the clock is gone. Okay, so basically Quack Builder is just really easy, really fast. Anything what you see is what you get. Okay, so anything you design in the builder is what you will actually see outside of the builder. Okay, so this is the video right here. As you can see, look the same and everything. Okay, so basically I about the margin, let me touch on this a little bit. Okay, so with the margin, you can make margin as big, and or you can make it more smaller by pulling this green arrow thingy right here. So if you need more space over on the right side, you can pull it to the left, okay? And if you need more space on the right, the left, you can pull it to the right, okay? So that's the way all that works. And you can make it different block. You can column. You can make more than one column. You can make 4, 5 column. All depends on the design that you're trying to make, okay? So I'm just gonna pull this back a little bit, like it like that. So I'm just gonna keep it as that and just gonna click save. Okay, all right, so the next thing is the blocks. Okay, the next thing is the what if you need to add an entire new block, and I'm just gonna do it down here. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave everything right here as it is, but you guys should change everything on this page. Make sure you put your benefit, etc. Change the picture if you need to, and the price over here. You have to change all of these. Okay, as you can see, this course is selling for $47 per month. Okay, you can double click that. If you want to change it to $29, you can also do that. Okay, and for the button, a lot of people ask me how to customize the button, how to link the button, etc. So how to do that, you just scroll down to the button, you click it, and if you click the button once, you can see it show up these options right here. So this is everything that you can do with the button. Okay, so if you want to change the text, you can just click edit right here and it will pop up another box. You can move it around if you want to, and then you can type whatever you wanted. So I'm just going to click put get access. I'm just going to put get instant access now. All right, I'll say get instant access only. Okay, not for it to be too too long to crawl off the button. Okay, so that is the button. Okay, so if I want to link the button, I gotta click here, and then when it say, you see say funnel, I can say, well, all right, make it go to the checkout page. Okay, so that next in the funnel, so I can click select. So now if I click off that and then I click save, so no, right now if I go to preview, if I click this and then showing a new tab again, it's going to be the same thing as that. And then if I come down here, see the button, and I change the price to $29 per month, and if I click get instant access, if I click that, you can see take me to the checkout page. So basically that's what a funnel is. You can see say $49 right here because I never change it from here. I never get to this page as yet, but we get in there. Okay, so as you can see, if I click back, guys, that's the way how to, link your button to go different pages. Okay, all right, so if I go back to the builder, how to modify your button a little bit more, you can click it again and look for the paintbrush. So the paintbrush, when you click the paintbrush, as you can see, come up with the color of the button that's right there that you can change to anything that you want. As you can see by the slide in this, it's changing, and I'm just gonna choose that kind of color, a little bluish color. And what's amazing is this, okay, guys? So say for instance, the effects, you can change the effects of the button, because if I go back to the preview, if I if I hover over the button, you see it come with a gray slide. As you can see right there, gray slide. You can also change that. If you go back, you can see over color. You can click that, and then you can change it to something else. I'm just going to change it to that orange looking color, and then after I change that, you can see slide color to the right. If I leave it as it is, click off of it and click save changes. If I go back, not to that one but to this one, and refresh it, as you can see the button change instantly. Okay, and if I hover over it, you see that color, just like the price came up on it. Okay, so basically, guys, that's the way how you modify your button. Okay, and for the Facebook icons, okay, for the Facebook icons, if you click it, you can also edit it. Okay, and let you to understand this section of the Facebook button. Okay, so if you have it and share, anybody click the button, it's gonna share it to their Twitter, their Facebook, and their LinkedIn. Okay, if you need to add your Facebook, your Twitter, and your LinkedIn, you have to click go to website. Okay, and then you put your Facebook information here. So for example, I'm gonna put facebook.com/quackbuilder, and then you just click off of it and then you click save. And then right now, if I refresh, if I click this first before I refresh it, it still have the same settings in there as default. Okay, so if I click Twitter, it's gonna try to share it on Twitter, as you can see. Okay, I have to log in to share it to Twitter. But now if I let me click the Facebook, you see it coming up, say I should log in so it can share it on Facebook, on my Facebook. Okay, but now if I refresh it, because I made the changes earlier in the builder, if I refresh it and then click Facebook, as you can see, it take me to my actual Facebook account. So that's the way you do it. If you want somebody to go to your Facebook account from your website, that's all you need to do. Just go to the settings of Quack Builder right here. Click it once, edit, and then you change from social, from share this page, because this is share this page, to go to page. Okay, and they will go to your page. But for right now, I'm just going to put it back to share this page. Okay, so that's the way how you do that, guys. So I'm just going to close this Facebook, and then next, guys, I'm just going to leave everything as it is for right now, because I need you guys to see the way how the funnel work, not more on the design kind of stuff, because I think you guys already get the basic, of how to design and add stuff. How to add stuff, everything is here in the widget. Okay, this is where the widget lives, guys. So if you click that, you can, everything that build a website is right here on the left hand side. Okay, so you can add anything onto the page if you just click here and see what you want and drag it and drop it onto the website. Okay, and let me do this just to give you guys an heads up. All right, so whenever you pull in something out to put on your website, as you can see, if I keep holding it, there's a green line indicate me where I can drop the text. Okay, if I want to drop it there, I go down. If I want to drop it one below that, I can. If I you see where I'm going with this. So this is just basic um, basic step that you have to take, like the guideline to know where your stuff gonna go when you drop it onto your website. Okay, and then you can change the text, and then you can modify it the way you want. But for now, I'm just gonna delete that. Okay, guys. So basically, guys, I'm just gonna leave everything as it is for right now. Um, and then I'm going to focus more on the features of the funnel and about the funnel. Okay, so as you can see, this is the funnel right here. If I hover over it, you see it say funnels. Okay, so if I click it, as you can see, these are the steps. Remember when I was previewing the theme, it showed me the steps of the funnels. These are all the steps that's inside of the funnel. So we have a landing page. This is the page, the first page that we're building out right now. That's called a landing page or a squeeze page or whatever you want to call it. Okay, they're the same thing. All right, so if I click back funnel, then you see the next is the checkout page. Okay, so this is where you have to come to start to edit all the different pages. Okay, so if I finish with this landing page, I have to click the funnel right here, and then I have to click edit and go to the checkout page. Okay, no, I don't want to save all those changes, so I'm just going to discard and let it go to the checkout page. And as you can see, this is the checkout page. Okay, so basically how you get the checkout page to work. Let me see if you guys have any questions so far. Okay, I see. Yes, I get a thumbs up right there. Thank you. Say your chat must have have a delay. Yeah, I know it does have a delay. It do have a delay, but I don't know how to fix it. I was trying to fix it all day today. That's why I get on late too, because week was kind of out as well. But that's one of the reason why we get on late, because it's delay from here. It's delay from here. So um, I just try to do it anyway because I want you guys to, you know, have have the information. So I don't worry about the delay that much. But any question for me so far? Where it say Shavar live? How do you just remove the color part? That part cover my logo. Okay, so how do I move the color part? Okay, let me look at that. Um, so you're talking at the top for the logo, right? All right, let me go back to the landing page. Okay, so I see you're talking about the top right color at the top right here. Let me see if what she say. Okay, thank you so much. All right. Yes. Yes, I know that we have a delay, but yeah, I just gotta get it out. Um, yeah. All right. So I'm trying to answer this question that I see right here. It say how to change the top part. I say Shavar Live. That's easy to do. All right. So what you see this color right here. You see when I hover over it, it say block. See the block? And when I click the block, you see it come up with the color, okay? So I'm gonna change it into black because if I change it into white, it's gonna overpower this and everything gonna be like a background, okay? So I have to differentiate it with a color. So if I pull that down, as you can see right there, the color is changing. So I change it to black, blackish grayish. And if I click save and go back to the page and refresh it, as you can see now it's black. So is that answer your question? Oh, it cover your banner? I mean, yeah, type type what's your website name into the chat box and I will definitely look at it for you and I will fix that for you, okay? So that's the good thing about Quack Builder. With Quack Builder, you are not alone, okay? With Quack Builder, we can definitely stay from over here and make any changes to your website as well. Okay, so if you don't know something, you can just reach out to us, and yeah, we will take care of it for you. With Quack Builder, you will never be alone. Trust me. Okay, guys. So if you guys like this webinar so far, just give me a like real quick. You know, just give me a like. If you can share it, that would be great. We can get more people on board. We can try to help more people. So, so that would be good if you guys can give me a couple likes so we can know that we're doing good so far. Okay, I see one like so far. Thank you for that. How you pronounce this name? Shakanda. Miss Chakanda, can you please type the name of your site so I can, go and fix that problem or that issue that you have? Yeah, just type it into the comment and I will definitely look at that when when the live stream is over and I can even on this live stream so everybody can see the way I fix it. I'm pretty sure it's simple, really easy. So please just type the name in the box and I will definitely help you with that. Okay, let me scroll down to see if I miss anything. Damien, web design, thank you. Um, all right, I see another like. Thank you guys for that. Um, this is Diane. Okay, hey Diane. Um, I have no questions so far. Yes, yes. Your child must. Yes, I know. All right. So, all right. So, any questions so far again? Okay, you guys understand everything so far? Okay, so all right, so she say it's cover my banner. I mean to say, I don't know if the banner. I don't know what kind of banner is it. So I have to look at the site, and then when I look at the site, I see what the problem or what the issue. I can fix it. So please put that information in the chat. What your website name, and I can definitely go and fix that for you. Okay. So all right, I'm just gonna continue because okay, I am good. Thank you for that. Thank you for letting me know that you're good. Um, Yeah, thank you for letting me know that you're good. Always try to talk, guys, so I can know um, what to do. I can know what you guys understand and what you don't understand. I will try to, get you guys to understand it in a simpler way, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue. Any question down the line? Yeah, you let me have them, and I will definitely answer them. Okay. So if I go back to the builder, okay. So I change this to black. Okay. And the next thing that you guys need to know, like the color, um, depending on the color you put up here. Okay. Because if it's white, I know that I can put back white up there because the color is gonna be it's gonna be one color, so I'm not gonna be able to see the logo. Okay. So that's why I changed the color to black. Okay. But if, say for instance, I want to change, all right, say for instance, I want to make a stylish logo. I can say, look at this. I can say this, I can put the S in black, say black, and then after, whoops, sorry for that. And then I can say, all right, so the L is kind of in a different color, say, you can also design your logo, okay? And I'm just gonna put all of this in like a different color. I mean, I'm just improvising just to show you guys what you can do. Okay, it's not the best logo ever, but you guys see what I'm saying. All right, I'm gonna change this from black, and I'm gonna put it into the same kind of the same color as that one. So as you can see, you can play around with it and see what you like. Okay, it's like the sky's the limit. Okay, anything you imagine, you can do. Okay, you just have to improvise and get it done. Okay, and if I click save, go back to preview, refresh it, it's right there. Okay, guys. All right. So please keep in mind you can also do that. Okay, and if you want to add an image, all you have to do instead, I'm gonna hide this block. So if I come over here, I can hide that block entirely, and then I can come right here to the widget. Excuse me, hopefully, and then I can add a container. So basically, this is a container, okay? And then in the container, I can add an image, okay? So I just pull it. As you can see, the green guideline let me know where I'm dropping it. So it's at the side now. If I want it to be full, I have to drop it in the middle, just like that, okay? And then it prompt me, said I have to upload a picture. Then I click upload file right here, and then I'm just gonna upload the Quack Builder logo real quick and see. I'm just gonna say download. No, I'm gonna say desktop Quack Builder folder, and I'm just gonna add the logo right here. Okay, so let me search for it. I think I'm just gonna upload that one. I don't know if that's the correct one, but I'm just gonna upload it right there. And you can stress it. Sometime it's gonna be too big. If it's too big, just leave it at the always is, and then you can resize it like that. Okay, you can resize it like this, and as you can see, Quad Builder is right there. And then if I want it to be all the way up, I can do that. And now if I save it, come back to the page, refresh it, now I have the Quad Builder logo with a white background. But what if I want the logo to be all the way over here and not in the middle? How do I do that? That's really simple. All you have to do is come back. As you can see, if I click it one time, remember I told you guys about the column, okay? So the column, you click it, you can do one, you can do two, three, you can do four, and five, okay? For now, I'm just gonna do probably three. And as you can see, it gets so small you can't even see it, okay? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pull that down a little bit and pull the Quad Builder logo out, okay? And as you can see, the logo is now at the top left, okay? And if I click save, go back to preview, refresh this, The logo is at the left. Okay, so that's the way all you had your logo to your site. If you don't see the logo option and you want to add your logo, you can do it anytime. Okay, you can just do that. Differentiate it by the blocks, and then you can add your logo as like that. What if you need the logo to be a little bit more out? You just come over here, over that, and you can go full. So you see it dropped all the way back to the corner a little bit. And if I could save and refresh it, you see it go further back in the corner. Okay, so that's the way. Oh, you add your logo if you do not see your logo. Okay, and please keep in mind, guys, anything you hide, you can unhide it. Okay, you can add unhide it, and then you can hide this block. If I don't need that right now, I can hide that, save it. Now if I refresh it, it back to normal, and the other logo is gone. Okay, so you can improvise. As I told you, Quack Builder, you can build anything you imagine. Okay, so just imagine it, and then you just put it to reality. Okay, any questions so far? Okay, so Shivai text me that she has put in her web address 4 times, but it does not. Oh, okay, yeah, 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 yeah. Show this chat. I can see it either look like she stalled. Okay, all right, yeah. Basically, the website, if you try to put the full website address, YouTube will not allow it. So just put the name of the site, and I will go and find it from there. If you know what I mean. Yeah, so just put the name of the site, and I will go and find it. Don't put the full URL, because YouTube is gonna try to filter it out. Okay. Any more question? It cover my banner. I meant to say. Okay, in a journey, Elin. Okay. All right. So yes, she just did that. Okay, I got it. Yes. So I will definitely look at this. I see it. Yes. So that's all that I want. It show up to me now. Okay. Yeah. I see. Thank you for your help. You're so helpful. You are so helpful. I need some more helpful people just like you. All right, so inner journey healing. Let me look at that. Do you guys want me to look at that right now? So you guys can see in real time how I do it. Type a yes in the chat if you want me to. Okay, so yes, one yes right about now. So are you? Okay. All right. Let me see real quick. With. All right. I just gotta create a new tab real quick and see if I can do it without interrupt what I'm doing right here. Okay. So that's a new tab. Let me see if I go website. Let me see right here. If I click that. All right. So this is your website. All right. So for the banner. Okay, so what's your question with the banner? This is the banner, right? This is the banner you're talking? Let me look back on the live. Um, I'm trying to find out if that's the banner you're talking about. The big one, right at the header right there. Sharp Elin. Let me see what she say about the banner. And say, when you go on that actual site, the banner is covered. Okay, let me go on the actual site and look what she's seeing that covered. Oh, you're talking about like this? Because you have the parallel scrolling. So when you scroll, they should see what's behind it, if you know what I'm saying. Like right there, you got the yellow, but when you scroll, the parallel scroll let you see what's behind. So tell me what you have in mind, and I will definitely fix it right now for you. How do you want it to be? I'm trying to figure out. Cause yes, okay, it's supposed to do that. Got it. Oh yeah, it's supposed to do that if you have the parallel scrolling on, because the parallel is like it hides something, and then when you start to move it, the mouse, it show it. If you know what I mean. So it push it behind this color. If you get what I'm saying. But let me see. Yeah, you can see you have a little bluish color behind that too. There's so many color behind that. Yeah, but that's the way the banner after what it call. You can see a parallel scroll right there, and you can make it fast, normal, or you can you can put this is the speed of the parallel when you scroll. Okay, you can make it slower, you can make it faster. Okay, and you can also click it off as well if you want to. Yeah, but that's the way how the parallel works. Let me see what you say. So, is that helpful? Is that information helpful for you? Oh, she say okay. Yeah. So, um, that's just the parallel, but it still show the actual image, but it's just push it back. It just push it back so you it's hide for a moment, and then when you start to scroll, they'll be like, okay, so I see. It's like inner journey Elin. You know what I mean? So it's like a style and a technique. But what I could suggest you to do, I could suggest you to make to dull it a little bit and let it be dark a little bit. So let me refresh it so I don't save all it. What I suggest you to do is like, let me see, add a little overlay over it and more, let it show like a little dark kind of, so your words can stand out. Because right now it's so hard for me to see the words of what you're trying to say right here because it's too bright. If you get what I'm saying. So you just, put a little dark, let it a little dark so your words can stand out. As you can see, I can see it more. And then if I click save, then I go back and refresh it. As you can see now, I can see your actual word and I can see what's behind here as well. Is that helpful? Yeah, thank you so much. Purple Sage is so helpful in this chat room. I wish everyone was like this. Okay, yeah, I did save it. I did actually save it. So as you can see right now, it's really, really good. Because I can see everything. I can see all the words. Your words is really important. So you have to make those stand out as best as you can. Okay, and let me scroll down to see if I see anything more that need to resolve so far. All right, so like this, these are the things. Like try to get all the words to be similar, okay, and try to make them stand out more. So if I go to the builder back again on your website, as you can see, some of the words like this look better than this, and this look better than this. So it's like a word fight right there, or something not, you know what I mean? Something is off right there. All right, so let me give you a technique. So if you see your words like this, you can click it and you can edit it. Then you can go and you see this brush right there. Just click it and it will clear everything. And you see, put it back to normal. So it look a little bit better.
You said save it.
Yeah. So I save it. Thank you, Tishana, for reminding me that. So as you can see, it's look better, but it still need to be like that, right? You can play around with the text, like the styling of the text. Sometimes it's too big, so you have to bring it down. And let me see, 16 look better. Let me see how much is this one, because this one is 14. Okay, so you have to try to make your design with the same kind of what you call sizes across the website, if you know what I'm saying. So it look more uniform and look more better. So for this one too, it's too big. Like you have to just clear it and then try to resize it a little bit. That's 18. So try to get it. I think 18 would be perfect. Let me see some with 14. Yeah, so it look much better down here now. And then I hardly can see it because that blue background or whatever color that is, you have to put it. I think white would be much better right there. Or whitish grayish, whatever it is. Is it? And then if I click save and I preview it and see, does white look better or the black look better? Let me know in the chat. Oh, I see. She forgot to do a lot of stuff. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. So that's why we're here. Okay, so white is better for you. Okay, so that's how you have to improvise with your website. Like you have to just look and see, like, hey, something not right. How can I fix this? Okay, and always use that techniques, guys. If you see something that doesn't look right, um, this is why this is here. So you can refresh it. You can put the text back to refresh, to default. Okay, just the way it comes onto the actual um, page. Okay, So sometimes, you make some changes and then you save it and then you'll be like, oh, something not right. That's the way how to do it. Just refresh it and go again. I'm just gonna save all this into white and then save changes. Okay? And then I'm just gonna do all of these in white. These texts look much better and much organized. Um, so I think you did a good job with that. But because you have that blue background, you have to have a color that's let it stand out. If you know what I'm saying, you have to have a color that let your writing stand out because the text is important. You don't want someone to go to your website and they can't see what you're trying to say. Okay, um, your text is really important. You need them to know whatever you need them to know. So always make sure that your text is 100% popping. So cleaning that, and I'm gonna put that to white. Save. Come back down here. These are links, so I'm trying not to click them. So let me see if I go from bottom, white, go over here, white, and so on and so forth. So everything now look much better because, oops, I missed a couple right there. But these are the product. So you have to go to the store to change those into white, okay? So if I go like that, go white. So this, you have to edit the product if you want to put those in white and put them in white. But what if you go to your store and the store is already white? You don't need to put the text in white because they're not going to be able to see the text, okay? So if I go like that, come like this, save, and I can see the disclaimer right here. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger so people can see it again. So I'm just gonna click save. And now if I go to the actual site and refresh it, so let me see if I miss anything. So is it look better, guys? Type in the comment and let me know if this website look much better to you. Absolutely appreciate it. You're welcome. That's why we're here. Are those link funnel as well? They're not funnels because you have a website, so the website is different from the funnels. But these link should actually take you to places, okay? Such as the home. If I click it, it should refresh the whole entire page because this is the actual home page. You know what I mean? But your our work page, the about our company, it should go to the about us page, which it does. But the text, as you can see, it's really hard to read as well. Because it's blue, I cannot see that kind of um, blue with the black. You know what I mean? So you have to change that color as well. So if I scroll all the way back up, is it the about us? If I click the about, you can see this is the color right, the text right here, highlight it, and it's really easy, guys. Like, and you just go and you just swipe it and you just click that and just white, and that's it. So now if I go back and refresh the about us page, it's much better, right, guys? Can you read it now, or it's the same thing? Okay. All right, so that's answer all your question for your website. Or there's anything else that you need? Look much better. Okay, I see. It's also look much better to me. So yeah, happily I could actually help you guys. Help you with that um information. So guys, please, if you like the video so far, if you like the webinar, please don't forget to like, guys. And if you're new to the YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because this channel is where we're gonna go live most of the time to give you guys training and to help you guys, how to fix anything on your website. This is the channel that we're gonna use to do so. So please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. Subscribe and click the post notification bell so whenever we go live, you will get a notification that we go live, so you don't get to miss any training. Because we trying to go live now, um, at the bottom, like the refund policy. What did she say? How do I activate the other link? Okay, I will show you that in a couple seconds. Yes, I will show you that. Um, yeah. So if you subscribe, guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is where we're gonna do all the training. This is where, because I can stay from over here and I can go into your account and I can fix whatever you want from here. I can solve all the problem from here. So you definitely need to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We're gonna start to do more webinars so you guys can, you know, get all your question answered. All right. So how to activate those link? All you have to do, just come over here, click one time. Um, Whatnot refund. You have a refund policy. If you have a refund policy, you just highlight that one. And I'm only going to show you this one so you can do the rest of them, because this is to teach you how to do it on your own. So you highlight the one that you want to link, and then you click the link right here, and then you look for the page. Right now you don't have a refund policy page as yet. You need to create one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cancel this, and I'm gonna choose a page that you can use for your refund policy page, and then you need to go, and I'm gonna link it for you, but and you need to go ahead and finish that page for your refund policy. Okay. All right, so the refund policy is just a basic page, right? So I can use one of these for, say, about/terms, okay? So, yeah, so it should be a basic page. So let me see some right here. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm just gonna come down here real quick, and I'm just gonna say refund policy because I don't want to type it, so I just copy it like that, and then I paste it in. And it say refund policy. All right, and then when I add it, whoops, I have to choose the URL. So if I just click it, it should, if I click enter, it should populate the URL. So that's what that was. Okay, then you click add, and it should add the page. Okay, so this is going to be your refund policy page. Okay, so you need to go in, click page right here, and then look for refund policy, which is right here, and then you need to edit this page. Okay, but for now I'm going to link it. So we go to refund policy, and then you can take it from there. Okay, so I click this, I'm going to over it, say privacy policy, and then I'm just going to click this, and then as you can see now, refund policy is available for me to click. And then if I click select, and then I save it, come here, and then I refresh the page. As you can see, refund policy is gonna be whoop. It's two of them now. Refund policy, refund policy. So as you can see, it's activate right here. Let me see what's going on with it. Why there's two of them? I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna save it. Come back, refresh, and it should be one refund policy. Okay. So now if I click it, it go back to that page that I just created. Okay, so you understand that now? So that's the way how you link all your pages, okay? Okay, I see. Oh, privacy policy, refund. Okay, that's easy. So you actually have a privacy policy page. Let me check. Refund. Oh no. So all you have to do is just write privacy policy. Just click it, go back, and then say, whoops. I Oh, this is privacy policy. Let me see some. All right, so you need refund policy back there. All right, so I just have to unlink this one then. See, unlink, and then put the refund policy to refund policy, okay? And then you still have to create that privacy policy page. So I will let you do that one, okay? So now if I go back to the home page, scroll all the way down, see privacy policy and refund policy. And if you click the refund policy, it should take you to that page. Okay? So that's the way how you do it. Yeah. So that's answer all your question now. So that's answer all your question. Am I correct? I'm just waiting for it to answer so we can move on, guys. Yes, thank you. Okay. So, all right. So that's how you fix all your links, guys, in your footer because sometime we maybe do site, but we don't have the all the information, if you know what I'm saying. And sometime, these links gonna be here. These what it call these words gonna be down here in your footer, but they not activated because you never provide us with the information. You never have enough information available ready for us to link it to that particular page. So we have it there, but we just leave it not link. You know what I mean? So as soon as you get that information become available, all you have to do is click here, add a page, and then when you add a page, you just link that page to that particular URL. Link the URL to the final destination. Sorry. Is that helpful, guys? Any questions so far for me? Any questions so far for me, guys? I'm ready to, go back to the funnel if you want me to. All right, look like no question coming up, so I'm just gonna continue. Okay, so go. Is that yes? You have a question, or yes? Go back to the funnel right now. Okay, all right. So let's go back to the funnel. So I know I got a lot of tabs up here, guys. I'm just gonna close a few of them. All right, so that's, let me see this. Yep. Okay, so I'm just gonna close this one out now. Anybody else want me to look at any problem they have? They can, you know, let me know. All right, so basically, guys, this we back to the funnel again. Yay! All right, so the funnel, as you can see, I leave right here when I was trying to design a word logo, okay? And I also show you guys how to add the logo if you want it to be an image, okay? I'm just, if I don't need the change, I'm just gonna discard. So it's go back to the way it was. All right, so basically this is the landing page of the funnel, okay? All right, so the funnel, the landing page, next in line of the funnel is the checkout page, okay? So basically what the funnel is, it should be a flow, okay, that with a specific goals, okay? So funnel, you have a funnel to just do lead generation, such as collecting people email address and information, okay? And you also have funnels that actually sells something, okay? So every funnel build and design for specific goals, okay? So whatever your goal may be, a funnel will help you to sell more or achieve that goal more faster, okay? As you can see, guys, so this is a checkout title. I can say whatever I want to say right here. I can say checkout, checkout now to save. Okay, I just gonna say that, and if that too wide from each other, I can just click. Oops, I can click this, and I can make it go up a little, you know, so it don't be like that much space in between. And then you're gonna write the benefits of what the product and services are about. Okay. For me, I'm gonna say what kind of product is this I was selling again. This is just for demonstration, so I'm just gonna say um, 10. I'm just gonna say 10 video. No, 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 no. First, I'm gonna say you're gonna get access to members area, access to members area. That's one of the benefit, and then I'm gonna say um, 10 um, 10 training videos. Okay, so that's also one of the benefits. Okay, guys, and then if I click save, so the difference with the funnel and the website, guys, is like if I don't want to confuse you guys, but I'm just gonna go back to the landing page real quick just to show you guys something. Okay, all right. So as you can see, the company name still say company name, slogan area. Okay, all because every page is treated different in a funnel. Okay, if it's a website, you will have a footer and you will have a header and a footer. Okay, and once you customize the header and the footer, that's how it's gonna look all across all the pages of the site. But with a funnel does not have a header and a footer. Okay, so basically that's why each and every page I go on, it will say, okay, put back your company name or your slogan. Okay, but I got a shortcut for this. Okay, so as you can see, it's right here. Okay, and I'm just gonna go back to the landing page. I'm just gonna click landing page right here, and I want to use this logo. Okay, I want to use everything up here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is click here one time, and as you can see, we have some options. Okay, we have edit, we have a little um, thing play button right here where we can make different transaction and animation kind of thing, and we have copy. So what we need to do is copy that. Okay, so once we click copy, it copy all, it should copy everything in that particular block. Okay, so if I click copy and I go back to the checkout, if I click this, as you can see, let me see if it does it. It just saved the text. Let me see some. Yeah, so as you can see, it saved the text right there, and I can delete this one. And then I'm just gonna click block, and I'm gonna put it back to block. Okay. And this I can also, you know, change the column back again. It should do everything, but I'm just gonna put this back over here. So it's that easy, okay? If you wanna, have it the same way, kinda like, oh, you have this one, that's the way you do it, okay? And then you can pull it out so it be the same. As you can see, it's the same now, okay? So now I have it on this page, and now I have it on that page, okay? So that's the way, oh, you do it. If you want your logo to be across all the pages, that's the way, oh, you can do it. That's a short way how to do it, shortcut. So you don't have to create back over all the thing all over again, if you know what I mean. Okay, all right. So the next thing is like, all right, so you can have testimonial, or if people buy the product already, you can add them right here. But I'm not gonna touch right here because right here is for you guys to add your information. I'm most likely gonna talk about the farm. I know you can get it to collect payment, and or you can get it to add the product that you want to sell inside of it. Okay. All right. So in the funnel and the checkout page, okay, as you can see on the landing page, we have this price for $29 per month. Okay, whatever this product is that I'm selling. Okay. So if I have this for 29 per month, and to the checkout page, you have to have the same thing because you don't want to confuse anybody. Okay. So all you do this is you have to create the product inside of your store, and the store is right up here. So if you click store, it's gonna prompt you and say start. The store is currently disabled. Activate now. Okay, don't panic if you see this. All you have to do is click yes. It's just because it's the first time I'm opening up the store on this particular website. That is why it prompt me that message. Okay, and then after that, you can see all this you have to set up. Okay, in order for you to collect payment, you have to set up everything onto your store. So as you can see, you can add a product, you can set up shipping method, and you can set up payment. Okay, but if it's a digital product or what it call, if it's a digital, I'm just gonna click add product for now, so you can see what I'm talking about. If it's a physical product, then you have to set up shipping, payment method, and everything. Okay, but if it's a digital product, a service, or a membership, you do not have to set up shipping. Okay, because you don't have to ship anything. All right, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense so far, guys? I want you. It would be good if you could answer, see what question they type in, and then let me know.
You can stay right there.
Okay, so she say yes, so good. That's good. Um, Glad that everybody is on the same page so far. Okay, so a physical product, you need to set up everything. Okay, you need to set up. Let me go back to the dashboard. You have to set up shipping. You have to set up the payment. you have to set up everything, okay? But if you're selling a digital product, which we're gonna do right here, right now, that means you don't have to set up shipping. And I'm also gonna touch on the shipping a little bit too, because I'm gonna try to cover as much as I can in this video. So far, it's going good. All right, so I'm gonna create a services kind of um, no, you know what? I'm gonna do membership because I'm saying they getting access to 10 videos, right? And the only way they can do that is through a membership website, okay? So what I'm gonna do is click membership right there, and I have to create a product, okay? So the product, let me see. I'm gonna name it Shavar Live, and then after I name it Shavar Live, I can do a description. Make sure you put the description of your product right here, okay? Let me say, oops, I'm writing without caps. So I'll learn how to do web design, if I can space that, fast. Okay, I'm just gonna put some demo stuff in there. All right. So I got that all done. Then for the members group, okay? With a membership website, you have to select a members group, okay? For right now, we only have basic group, okay? We only have basic group. And I'm going to show you how to add group such as VIP if you want to make a VIP section or our pro section, etc. Okay, but for right now is basic, and I'm just going to add that to the basic, okay? But you have to select a group, okay? And then for the price, how much was it again? It was 29 bucks, right? If I want to put it on sale, I have to click that and then put the price on sale, which I'm not going to do right now. Okay, keep unit, you can do that. I'm not gonna do that as well. This is like the SKUs to find the product. Like if you sync a unique number to it, I'm just gonna do it. You just sync a unique number to it so you can search for it by the number and find that particular product, if that makes sense. All right, so is it a subscription kind of website? Yes. Let me see. It's yes. You know why? Because it's a monthly. So it's $29 per month. So you have to click subscription right there, and then it's going to bring this box up, and then it's going to say, all right, what kind of subscription is this? Okay? And you can say, okay, it's an ongoing subscription. All right? If you want to go on for the year, okay, for the whole entire year and over again, as long as the members don't cancel, they will forever be charged $29.99, the $29, whatever the price is, until they cancel, okay? So you click ongoing. If it's like a 20 time payment or 15 time payment and that's it, you can choose that. But if it's not, and if it's a subscription that goes on, leave it ongoing. Okay? And then it's going to say charge every, and then you can say every month, or you can say every 2 months, or 3 months. Or if not, if you want to take payments by week, you can also change that to week. Okay? But I'm just going to leave this to month, and I'm just going to leave that to ongoing. So it's $29 per month period. Okay? And then I'm going to click submit. So now we have a subscription product. And if I scroll down, then you can say you can ask for additional information. That's if you want. And then you can show a custom thank you page. Okay. If you want to show a custom thank you page, which I think we have in the funnel, we can click this, and then we can say okay, go funnel, and then we say go to thank you page after they purchase, and then press select right there, and then after that we have to add it into a category. Okay, so I'm just going to click categories. If you don't see your categories right here, just click the add button and write what the category you think your product and service is. Okay, for me, I'm just gonna put live stream, and I'm just gonna click off of it, and you see live stream populate for the URL, and just click submit. And as you can see now, live stream is available. So if you don't see it right there, just add it, and then you can choose it from there. Okay. And then you click confirm. Once you click confirm, I'm gonna come back all the way up here because I forget to tell you guys a little bit about the SEO and how important your SEO is for your product or your website. Okay, so basically right here, every product comes with an SEO optimization side of it. Okay, so right there, let me just add this for the picture of the product. Not a good picture for the product, but it's you get what I'm saying. And then for right there, it's a product page URL. You can write you can leave the URL as it is, or you can, if you want to be specific with the URL, you have to write your URL no space. Okay. And then for the SEO, you have to put certain keywords or phrase that you want to rank for inside of the description. Okay. So I can say Shavar live stream webinar right there. Okay, so what if I want to rank for this keyword, Shavar live stream webinar? Okay, you can see it populate the webinar also when I put it in here into the URL. Okay, so if I just want to say, um, if I want to write a description for my SEO that allow me to rank for Shavar live stream, I'm just gonna say, um, um, I'm just gonna say join us today, Shavar live stream webinar start at 8 p.m. tonight. Okay, and guys, make sure you write a better description than this until the box, as you can see right here, the box is kind of yellowish. If you write the character, you should write the character until it's get green. Okay, when it's green, you know you're on a good path and you're good to go. Okay, so always make sure you do that. I'm gonna demonstrate this real quick. I'm just gonna put um, I'm just gonna put these information in here and see if I could get it to show green. Let me see if it's too much. Let me see some paste. Nope, it's not green yet. Probably I need more characters in there for it to get green. But try to put as much as you can in there until it get green, so you know you're good to go. Right now, I think I probably have. Let me see if I have too much. Look like I cannot get it green, guys. But you guys have to just write a description that get the SEO to show green, and make sure all your keywords is also inside of that description, so you can get for rank for that particular keyword also. Okay, let me try this again. I know this probably being too long. Okay, so that you see it's get green now. This is not a good SEO description. I'm gonna touch on SEO on a different day, but this is not for the SEO. Okay, this is just to demonstrate what you should expect when you're doing your SEO in Quack Builder. So as you can see, it changed to green. Okay, so you can just write some information about your product, why they should buy your product until it get green. Then you know, okay, it's get green. So I'm just gonna leave it right now. That should be good. But also make sure you have the keyword in it that you want to rank for. Okay. So as you can see, I say join us today, Shavar webinar, Shavar live stream. Sorry. Chevrolet live stream, which I told you I want to rank for Chevrolet live stream. So I make sure that keyword inside of the description. Does that make sense, guys? Okay. Yes, yes. I have a question about the SEO description. The color line at the bottom of the box change colors. What does the red line mean? Does it mean there's too many words? Like, yes, sometime if you put too many words in there, it get redder, okay? And if you have a little bit of word in there, it's still gonna remain kind of reddish kind of looking. So you're always trying to get it to green. When it's green, you know you have enough characters and it's perfect to rank. But you I mean you can add word in there until it green. That doesn't make any sense, okay? Don't do that. Add words in there that you can rank for, and then when it get green like that, you know that your product is well optimized, or your website page is well optimized. That make any sense, guys? Let me see. Okay, I'm just waiting for a couple of answers to see how we doing. I'm lost with the SEO. I am confused about it purpose. All right, so the SEO, the purpose of the SEO. Thank you for that answer. No problem. That's why I'm here. All right, so the purpose for the SEO is to rank in search engine. Okay, what is search engine? These are search engine. Google is a search engine, Yahoo is a search engine, and Bing is a search engine. Okay? Um, what you type in the search engine box, it called a keyword or phrase. Okay? So, say for instance, I'm looking for like, let me see some. So, for instance, I say, I want to rank for health, Health, health insurance, right? So, for instance, I want to rank for health insurance. I have to make sure my site have health insurance inside of the description. Does that make any sense? Because you cannot rank for it if your word is not in the description and on your page as well. Yes, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's exactly right. So it's basically, it's the word that people can find you for, okay? Like your website name was called what? Inner Journey Elin. You have to make sure that when people type Inner Journey Elin, you are there, okay? In the Google, Yahoo, or Bing. And sometimes you can, let me go back on the okay. So now you understand? A minute to click. Okay. I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so that's why Quack Builder School is here for. You know what I mean? To refresh your brain and get you back on track. Okay, guys. All right, guys. So if you like this video so far, please like and share. Please like and share, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. So please share this video, guys. We're trying to, help as much people as we can. So share this video to a friend that you think this information can help. Yeah, because we're gonna be start having live webinar just like this, um, so we can answer all the question you may have, or and fix all the problem that you may have, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so that's what this webinar for. So just share it to somebody you think it could help. Um, I would be appreciate that, and that will also give us more momentum to start making more live videos like these. Okay, guys. So yeah. All right. Let's continue. Right. So all right. So just not to get lost. Okay. Let me go over back everything again. So put the name of the product, right? And it will automatically populate that same URL name inside the URL. Okay. The page URL. Okay. All right. So once you do that, you do your SEO. Make sure you fill all the way the character all the way out until it get green. You know it's good to go. If you go, say for instance, if you're trying to put more than that in there, I'm not gonna demonstrate that because that's gonna waste time. But if you put more too much in there, it's gonna get extra red, as what Miss Diane said, and you don't want that. Okay. So do that till you get green. You leave that. Make sure your price is inside of that box. Um, the SKUs, if you want to find the product with a SKUs number, you can add that. It's optional. And if it's a subscription, you click that button right there, and you can do an ongoing subscription month after month. Okay, you can do that if you want. If it's not a subscription, if it's not a subscription, all you have to do is not click that box. Okay,
Hello.
and then you
Yeah.
can ask for additional information if you want as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to make sure all these information in before
Right
you
here.
can create a
Go to
product.
webinar.
Okay, and then when you do, once you have all these information inside of
All right.
the
Where's
box
London?
and fill out
Where's London?
everything, just click save. Okay,
Where's
and
London?
this we just create our first membership
She ain't
product.
coming.
Okay, so what you're gonna do with this product? Okay, why we create a product in our store? every every product or services you want to sell, you have to create it
All
in your
right.
store first
All right. I'm about to go to the
before
door.
before you can actually
Yeah, she
sells
can
it.
stay again.
Okay, so as you can see,
All right.
these are all the products that you can
All right.
create. You have to make sure you create the product before you can sell it. Okay, so if I go back to the builder, once I create that product, I have to go back to the builder, excuse me, hopefully, and then click funnel, and then go back to the checkout page. Okay, so when we go to the checkout page, the only thing we need to do at the checkout page is to add that product that we just created. Okay, any product you created, you can add it to the check to any checkout page. Okay, so always remember that rule, guys. First, you have to create the product before you can sell it. Okay, so I'm gonna click here, and I'm just gonna click product, and as you can see right here, it populates um, uh, some options right here. All right, so as you can see, say 49 right there still. So what you need to do, pay attention to right here, say main products, right? So you're gonna click here. If I have 10,000 product in here, 10,000 of them will show all the way down like that. But for now, I only create one product, okay? So any amount of product you create in the store, it's going to be an option for you to select it right here. If you create 50, 100, it's here for you to select, okay? And this, please keep in mind, this is just if you are making a funnel. This is the way how the funnel work for you to start to collect payment or to sell your products. Okay, so this is the way how you set up your funnel. Okay, so remember in the store, I create this Chevrolet Live webinar product. Okay, so I'm just gonna click confirm, and as you can see now, that product is actually inside of this farm. Okay, so anyone need to check out right now, they will buy that product, Chevrolet Live product. Okay, so as you can see right here, if I click right here, it can show you. It's gonna show you the cart like this, say empty, because you have to add. If you choose this option, let me show you. If you choose this option, is like a e-commerce card. Okay, so I'm just gonna click save. I'm just gonna demonstrate something real quick. So if I come back, nope, not that one. If I refresh this and then I click this button, it should take me to the checkout page. It's not gonna show because I don't have any what it call. I don't add it to cart as yet because I have to add it so you can add it to cart and then check out that way, okay? But I never do it that way. So let me go back. If I want to do that demonstration, let me go back to the landing page, and then I'm just going to click this button and click the link. I'm just going to say, I'm going to move it from funnel to store. And then after store, I'm going to click the Chevrolet Live right here. So I'm just going to save this, go back to the preview, and if I refresh it, you can, oops, you can also do the cart like this. So for instance, you have a funnel and you want to just turn it into a e-commerce checkout, you can also do that. So that's what I just did. So if I refresh and click this button, it's going to want me to buy the Chevrolet Live webinar, okay? And if I add it to cart, I can see it right there, and if I go check out, now I can check it out like a regular e-commerce, okay? As you can see, it take me to the process of checking it out, okay? And as you can see, say $29 per month, it's still a subscription product. All right, but what if we don't want to do it that way? Because we're talking about the funnel, okay? So we want to build out the funnel. So we don't want to do it like that, okay? So I'm just going to click back this, click the link again, and I'm going to put it back to funnels, and then I'm just going to go to the checkout page, okay? Let me see if I'm doing, yes. So I'm just going to go back to the checkout page and click save. So whenever I come back here and click refresh, it should, if I scroll up, it should take me back to the funnel, okay? And now we have this option, so we can, I'm just going to go back to the funnel now, and then I'm just going to go back to the checkout page, and then I'm just going to come back to edit the product, okay? So that's the option. This option, that's the way how it works. But you don't want to do this if you want to do the funnel. You can do it either way, but I suggest you to just use the funnel, okay? So as you can see right here, it's a main product. I already have the product, Chevrolet Live, and a bump, okay? What's a bump offer? Basically, let me give you a real good demonstration about bump offer so you can understand it. Um, so you can understand it in a simpler way. Okay, so have you ever been to the store and you go to the store to get one thing, and then when you go to get that one thing, you see something else you like, and you'll be like, okay, I'm just gonna grab that too. And then when you go into checkout again, you see another thing. Then you're like, okay, I need that too. I just grab that too. You know what I mean? So that's a bump offer. So what's a bump offer is offering more stuff they can purchase before they check out. So if you want to do a bump offer, as you can see, the option is there as well. You can add it, name it, bump title and all that. And then once you, I'm not going to do it now, you have to select a product that you choose for bump offer. You would have to create another product and say bump offer, and then you select it just like this one, okay? But I'm not gonna do that now because I don't have a bump offer created, okay? So I'm just going to cancel that. So basically, that's what a bump offer is. I know a lot of people asking me what a bump offer is, but I never get to touch that topic. So now I'm doing it, okay? Because I'm already here. So that's basically a bump offer is you grab other stuff before you check out. You grab other offers before you actually check out. Okay, guys? So basically, that's it for how to start to selling your product on this page. Um, so now what I'm going to do is click off of it. So now your product is in there. Okay, your product is in there. Now you see what it say? $29 per month. First it used to be $49 in here. Am I right? But now when I add the product in, you can see it say the product is Shavar webinar, and then he show you how much it is. And if you're running a promotion, you can give them promotion discount code and they can apply it before they check out as well. Okay? So now if I go here, refresh, it's already there because I did already save it. If I did have a promotion, I could add it right there and click apply, and then the promotion could be in there, but not none is available because I don't have one right now because I never created one. Okay? But as you can see, this website is not set up for payment as yet. I'm not going to set it up for payment, but I'm going to show you how to set it up as payment because that's another live video, okay? This is another live video because it's a third party. Our payment processor is a third party. So you have to go to that particular website, create an account. Sometimes it takes time for you to get approved, for you to link it with Quack Builder. So that I'm just going to demonstrate that in another video. Is that okay? All right. So basically, you see no payment method are available, right? Excuse me, hopefully. So how to add your payment method? You have to click the store right here, and then you go all the way down to say right here, say connect payment method. If you click that right here, as you can see, guys, these this is the payment method option of the builder. You can add, as you can see, we have so much different payment processor you can add to collect your payment for you. Okay, my favorite is Stripe. I think this is the best. That's why it's also on the top. So you guys can choose whatever you want, but I suggested you to use Stripe. And we're gonna be having some more payment processor available soon, such as Square, etc. So that's a part of the big update that we're coming out with the e-commerce and email marketing and all that. Soon be available. Those are some stuff that I'm going to touch about later on after I finish with the funnel. I'm going to be talking to you guys at what you should be expecting new, okay? So the Stripe. If you need the Stripe payment processor, any payment processor you need in here, all you have to do is click the connect, and then it will tell you what exactly you need for it to work, okay? So as with the Stripe, as you can see, I only need two things to start processing payment. And it's just need the publishing key and the secret key right there, okay? And once you get the publishing key and the secret key, you have to go to Stripe and create your account. That's what I said at the first time. To make it easy, we add a link to Quack Builder. You can click it. It say learn more about Stripe payment. You click it right there, and it take you to Stripe. And all you need to do is just create your account, and then once you create your account, you will sign up, and then you will start to you have to verify. Of course, they're gonna make sure that everything is good, approve you, and then you will get your publishing key and your secret key. Okay, guys. And as you can see, why I use Stripe, every big company, the biggest company in the whole entire world use Stripe. As you can see, Instacart, Shopify, Google, Salesforce, Lyft, Amazon is the biggest retailer in the world, Slack and Zoom. All these people, they use Stripe, okay? So why? Because they're the best. To me, Stripe is the best. And if they using Stripe, we can use it too, right? So that's the way you need to do it. You just click that Learn Now button, come to Stripe, and then you just sign up an account. Okay, start with Stripe payment. You sign up your account, say Start Now. Okay, I'm not gonna walk you through this because I already told you this is another video, but you can come and do this on your own time. And in the next live stream video, I can, create a demo account and then walk you through that. Okay. Any question for me so far? Everybody understand what I'm trying to say? I know what you mean, okay. I will share on my Facebook page after it's over. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for that sharing. Okay, any questions so far, guys? Any question? That Stripe video. Okay, yes, you need that Stripe video. Okay, I will definitely do that video and get it out for you. As I said, it's gonna be in a webinar too. So just stay tuned for the next webinar. I will definitely go over Stripe, so you can know exactly how to connect your Stripe to Quack Builder. It's really it's super easy. You can ask anybody else. It's really easy. Yes, it's really easy, guys. You can ask anybody. Stripe is really easy for you to connect payment processor to Quad Builder and just start to getting sales right away. Yes, guys. So, any question for me so far, so I can know to continue? Any questions so far, guys? Mm, okay, doesn't look like anybody have any questions. So, just hope everyone understand what's going on. Please, guys, if you don't understand, shoot me the comments so I can help you guys out. This is why we're doing the live training, so I can help you guys out with whatever question you may have. Okay, so good so far, so good. All right, so go back to Stripe. All right, so yeah, basically, guys, just create your account with Stripe. It's really easy. You just need that two thing: your payment, your publishing key, and your secret key. Okay, and then you're good to go. Once you do that, you just go to General. Once you put that in and click Save, and you should be good to go. Okay. All right. So we here at General. Sorry for that, guys. So we here at General. So let's just cover it. As you can see, guys, please make sure you fill out your general information. Okay. So your company name, company ID if you have one, address, city, state, zip, all this. Just make sure you fill that out and click save. Okay. And then the shipping. This normally on the e-commerce side of it onto your website, but if I touch it, I can touch it on the funnel as well. It's not required if you're selling a digital or a membership or services kind of website stuff. But if you plan to ship stuff, this is the way you have to set your shipping up. Okay. So all you need to do is come right here and say add shipping option. And as you can see, this box come up right there. And you can do price range or you can do weight. Okay. I always do price range and I can name it. I can say shipping. and you can say shipping, and then um, when I say shipping, to make the shipping work, I can leave this and say, all right, anything I can say, leave this to zero and say, um, anything they purchase over $75, they will get free shipping. Okay, but anything in that range, I want to charge them. Whoops, not $80, but $8. Okay, and then you click right there that say global. Global mean worldwide. So anybody from all anywhere in the world come to your website, make a purchase, you will charge them $8. Okay. Okay. So the global you don't want it to check if you want to vary your shipping price. Okay. So if you click global, it's gonna be one price for everywhere in the world. And some of you may not want that. Okay. So all you have to do is take it off global, come down to the what they call United States. If you're in the United States, you choose United States, and please keep in mind you can set up all these shipping differently. Okay, you can set these up accordingly. Okay, so if I'm scroll, I can't find it. Let me see. Okay, I think I run past it a couple times. Oh, here we go. All right, so if I click United States shipping, okay, so anybody in the United States purchase anything in that $75 range will be charged $8, okay? And if I could confirm, as you can see now that shipping is there. So from 0 to $75, I'm charging $8 for shipping. Anything above that, the shipping is going to be free. Okay, and you can set each country you want. You can set each country right there. Okay. um, Let me see, price global, yeah, you can set each pricing shipping different. So if you want to choose if you want to charge $10 for that, I don't know what kind of country is that, but if you want to charge $10 for that, you can say, all right, $10. Whoops, why my hand is pressing so much button. $10 for anybody that purchased something over um, 90 bucks. Okay, whoops, click this. 90. Whoops. What's going on? Okay, numlock is off. Say $90. Okay. And then anybody from this country, the good thing with Quack Builder is it work off of IP, so it know exactly where you are in the world, and it charge you that shipping. Okay. So if you're from this country, it's gonna recognize that you're from this country, and then it's going to charge you $10 if you purchase anything from 0 to $90. It's going to charge you $10. Okay, anything above that will be free shipping. Okay, I'm not going to save that one, but that's the way all you do it. You know what, I'm just going to save it for this just the demonstration purposes. I'm going to say I'm just going to call it name Albania shipping. Okay, so I know it's that for that shipping. Okay, and that's the way all you can, differentiate the shipping price, the country that you want to charge a shipping, and then you can vary the price to the shipping price that you want to charge them. Okay, and that's it. All right, so the tax, you every state is different for the tax. You just have to contact your tax, what it call, your tax person, and they will give you all this the necessary information for this. Okay, and you can charge whatever tax you want to charge, and make sure if you want to exempt businesses from tax, from this tax, you can also do that. Please make sure you realize that these option is down here, because a lot of people overlook these option that they can apply the tax to the shipping, and so on and so forth. Okay, So it's there. It's just you to scroll down and look for that settings, okay? And also you can choose your country, the country, the state where you are, okay? And then you can click confirm, and that will be it for the taxes, okay? We already went over the payment method. You can choose Stripe or you can choose more than one if you want to. I just choose one and it's Stripe, okay? And for the checkout, please make sure you guys have your privacy policy, your refund policy, and your terms of service, because these are going to appear once you implement these in. Once you put these information in, these information going to appear on the checkout page. Okay, so the customer, they need to know your privacy policy, they need to know your refund policy, and they also need to know your terms of service. Okay, so please, when you're doing the e-commerce, make sure that you have all these information in before you start to sell your products. Okay. All right. So any questions so far, guys? Any question? I'll just continue. What is the company ID? Um, no. All that is on my site, so I have to do them again on another page. No, if this is on your site already, if you do already done that on your site, you do not need them to go on another. Let me see. Depend, because you have to have. If you have it on your if you have it right here, the customer can see it. But yes, yes, also make a privacy page. Also make a privacy policy page. That's the one I was showing you on the footer. Privacy policy, refund policy, and your terms of service. Yes, you have to have these pages. You have to have these pages separately, so you can have a link to them as well. So your customer can go onto your website and just click the privacy policy if they want to read it, or refund policy or terms of service. Even though you're going to have it on your checkout side of your website, you still, yes, you still need to have it in your footer of your actual website. And that is an awesome question. This one, let's say, what is the company ID? Sometime, company have ID. I don't know how they get it, but sometime company have the ID, so we just put it as an option as well. Yeah, so that basically that's what we do. I don't know all the way they do that, but I know some company have an ID. But it's optional for the ID. If you don't have an ID, just leave it out and just make sure you have everything else inside of the builder. Okay, that makes sense? Okay. Yes, as far as the refund policy, yes. Um, does everything make sense, guys? Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. Yes. All right. So, like that being said, guys, let's move on. So we cover everything about the store and the settings and the layout and the payment and the checkout. Um, I just have to touch this, but this is the physical side, but I just have to touch them because I'm right here. You know what I mean? Only thing, if you're gonna do the funnels, you have to make sure you have the payment set up, okay? And then let me go back to the builder. All right, so the flow of the funnel is coming along. Let me close Stripe for a minute. So as you can see, the flow of the funnel, okay? The flow of the funnel is you talk about your product and services, you maybe have a video that can talk about the product to sell them. Okay, so this video should explain about the product and the services, what you offer, and the benefits should be here too as well. But I leave these out because I was just trying to focus on the funnel, the goal of the funnel. Okay, so basically, guys, you should have a sales video. They call this a sales video. Okay, why it's a sales video? Because this video is to explain the product or services that you have to offer, so the user can buy, click on this button right here, go to the next step, and actually subscribe and buy your product. Okay, so as you can see, the video is right there sending them something. If I click get instant access, it take me to the checkout page, and oops, I think it's gonna load and load because I try to do the Stripe, but I never put anything inside of it. The payment, I never put anything inside of it, so it's trying to read. It's trying to read if I do put the key in, but I did not. So it's gonna do that for a while. But you get the idea. Um, you have to have it like that, and then once they check out, let me see if I can settings. I'm gonna try to disable for a second and see if that would help, because once it find out that I'm trying to add the payment processor, it's searching for the keys, and it's searching for the publishing key and the secret key right now, so it can't find it. So see, once I delete that, now it come back because I add a payment processor and I never finish the actual setup of it. Okay, so if you get that problem, that is why it's spinning so much, going crazy. Be like, oh, I can't find the key. You know what I mean? But that's the problem there. But I'm not gonna add the payment processor in this video because that's another video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add the Stripe. Okay, but I'm still gonna go through the funnel. Okay, so the funnel is basically to um to get them to purchase this. This is the goal of the funnel. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for a bypass for this for now, I'm just gonna add another a button. I'm gonna go funnel, and I'm gonna go checkout, and I'm just gonna add a button to just go to the next step. Okay, so imagine they pay for it. When I add this button, imagine they pay for your services. Okay, so I'm just gonna click here, pull this button over right here, and I'm just gonna drop it right there, and I'm gonna say next step should go to the thank you page. Okay, so that's the way how we're gonna do it, instead of trying to fight with this thing when we, because every website is different. With Quack Builder, it have to set up with different payment secure key and secret key. So I have to go to Stripe to create those key and for them to generate the key. Sometimes they take days to generate it. Sometimes they take a couple minutes. It all depends, you know. So I don't want to go all through that in this video. So I'm just gonna do it in another video. Okay, so this is just gonna be the bypass to go to the next page. Okay, so I'm gonna click save right there. I'm gonna put it at the, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it right there, and I'm just gonna change the text so you guys understand what I'm saying. Say get buy now. I'm just gonna say buy now on the text. Okay, on the button. So now the button say buy now. So once the button say buy now, I'm just gonna click save. And when I click save, I'm just gonna go back to the checkout page, and I'm gonna refresh it. Okay. So say for instance, a customer come to the next step, and they be like, okay, check out now to save. Then they say, okay, um, it's gonna say access. This is the benefit that I get to subscribe to this thing. Access to members area, 10 training videos, and I'm gonna get 14-day money back guarantee. Okay, I need that. they're gonna be like, okay, they're gonna put their name, their email, they're gonna put the password that they want to use to log in to the members area so they can access your videos, and then they're gonna scroll all the way down and click um, buy now, okay? And then this is the thank you page, okay? So once they get to this page, that's the goal of the funnel, to sell them something, okay? And what's amazing about the funnel, I'm just gonna go back. Um, just gonna go all the way back from the front, from the landing page, and I'm just gonna go through the funnel one more time, and then I'm just gonna talk a little bit about why the funnel is so powerful. Okay, so I come to the website, I read about the product services. Okay, yeah, I need that, so I click get instant access. When I click get instant access, they read more about the product and services, because this is your chance to to sell them. So you have to make sure everything is up to par. Make sure you list out all the benefits. Okay, and if you have a funnel that's show like 1, 2, 3 benefits, all you have to do to add more benefit is to come right here, click it one time, and click copy. And when you click copy, you just click this, and as you can see, you can pull this down inside of there and add another benefit. Okay, so as you can see right there is another benefit. All you just do is just click it and edit it. So instead of say access to members area, you can say um, um, get um, I can say two extra video videos for free. Okay, so that's another benefit, as you can see, guys. And then when I save that, you know, I can, like, it's too far apart. So as I told you before, always use the spacing correctly, accordingly, the way you want it to look. And then you click save. And then when I preview it again, you can see I add another benefit. Okay, so if you see only 3 benefits, you can add more than one, more than two, more than three, more than 10 benefits. Okay, it all depends on the kind of product and services and how many benefits you think the customer will have before they get to opt in. You have to show them all those benefits. Okay, and that's the way how you can list them. So if you have 3 of them, you duplicate it, you make more, you make more, you make more until you can't think of any more benefits. Then you're good to go. Okay. So all right. So go back to the funnel again. Start from the landing page. They're gonna be like, okay, they need it. Bam. They click that. They see all the benefits. They put their name. They put their email. They have to do excuse me, hopefully they have to have a set a password, because every membership product you have to create an account. Okay, so yeah, they have to create their account before they can get access to the members area. Okay, and as you can see, if they already have an account, they could just click here and log in. You see, it's only say password, but they have to register if they do not have an account. If they're gonna buy the product, it's gonna ask them to just register an account, and then they can get access to that particular product, and they can log in whenever they wanted. Okay, and then when they scroll down, they're gonna be like, okay, yeah, I need this product, so buy now. Take them to the thank you page, and that's it for that funnel. Okay, so on the thank you page, you still have to click funnels, and then you still have to click here to edit the thank you page. Okay, you can add a video if you want to the thank you page. You can say, okay, I need to add a video to, and thank them for everything, for the order that they make. You can do that. You can add a video by putting the URL right here. Let me see. A restaurant guy. 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 Let me see. A r you can just say, all right, you can, whoops, um, let me see. I'm just gonna put a random video in, guys, but you will get the idea. If you click there and then you go back to the builder, then you paste, click enter, you can see that video is gonna be there. Then you can add a custom thumbnail and say select, and then that video gonna be there with the custom thumbnail, okay? And if I click save, that's the way it's gonna look. All right, so you can space it too, always can space it, save, and then you can say thank you for your order. You can put this up here, write a description. You can say what, oops, can spell it again. You will receive all your information via a email. Okay, so whatever way you want to tell them how they're gonna get the access to the product, you should tell them here. Okay, or you can just tell them in the video, and that's it. Okay, so you got option. All right. And what if you have something that you're giving away for free, like a PDF? You can say, all right, you can have this link to a PDF, and you can say download and download your whoops free PDF now. And then that's the way it's gonna be. Then you link the PDF. um, I'm just gonna use a file for now. I think. Let me see. I'm just gonna use this picture for now, but the PDF will be the same. Okay. And then when you click save, if I go back to the checkout, the thank you page, and click refresh, you can see I have the video here. I can play the video, and then as you can see, say download your free PDF now. If I click that, then it will take me to this where I can download it. If it's a PDF, it will download. I just add an image just for example. Okay, so that's the way how you do that. Okay, so if you're giving away something free like PDF, etc., they can download it from there. Okay, so that's the goal of the funnels, guys. And now I'm gonna be showing you guys how the funnel, how to look and see how the funnel perform. Okay, or how the funnel is performing. Like you can set, check the specs on the funnels and so on and so forth. Okay, so if I click back, what I'm gonna do is come here. As you can see, right here is the landing page. Each time you get a new visitors, this thing will count. Okay, to count from 1 to 2 to 3 to whatever amount of visitors you get, this thing will actually tell you. Okay, in the funnel. All right, so basically, guys, why it's not counting right now? Because I'm in the preview part. I'm in the preview side of the funnel. So why we do this? Because we don't want to mess your specs up. Okay, the specs should be real, so we don't let it show the specs when it's you viewing it from the preview section of the builder. Okay, but what if I want to view it live? Okay, what if I want it to count, like when a visitor come? Oh, you want me? Oh, you want it to count if a visitor come? How to do that is you just click off of it, and then you get the actual link. Okay, you have to get the actual URL link right here. Okay, so this is the URL link right now. We can connect a domain name. Remember I told you we're going to talk about this later on. I will also cover this in the next video. Okay, or you can link your own domain name. But for right now, for the subdomain name, is good enough for it to, start to track your analytics. So as you can see right now, I copy that link. If I come right here, you can see it's not counting because I'm on the preview side of it. But what if I paste that link that I just copy and click enter on my keyboard and go back to the builder, close that, and click it again. As you can see, it say one, okay? So it say one visitors visit my website. It say one visitor on my website right now because I'm now previewing it live, okay? I'm now looking at it live, just like a customer. Okay, so I build out an entire funnel and now I'm getting customer to it. That's the way it looks right now, okay? So basically, as you can see, I'm on the landing page right here. So you see one on the landing page. What if I click the get instant access button right now? What if I go back to the builder and click that off and click it? What happened? It started count two. So I get one visitors onto the landing page and they purchase my product and now they click and go on the checkout page. Okay, so what happened on the checkout page? If not, if all right, say for instance they on the landing page. Sorry for that. Just say for instance they're on the landing page and then they go to the checkout page. They click that button to go to the checkout page, right? And what if they go to the checkout page but you don't see account and the thank you page? That means they never check out. They never check out your product. Okay, so basically they just come right here and they leave your website. Okay, but what if they actually fill out these form, fill out everything, and actually buy the product? Say for instance they buy the product. Okay, now they're on the thank you page. Okay, so if I click this, as you can see, this says one on the thank you page as well. So now you can know the customer go through the funnel. You can see they leave from the landing page to the checkout page and they land on the thank you page. So how they get on the thank you page? They only can get on your thank you page if they purchase your product. Does that make sense, guys? Let me know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Any questions so far, guys?
Boy, you really got unorganized and doing too way too much. 3 hours on the day,
Any questions so far, guys? Because we're about to wrap this webinar up real quick because it's getting too long. So I'm trying to, make sure everyone on the same page before I continue. Okay, understood. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and continue. I will have to rewatch the full part, the funnel part. Okay, no problem. Yeah, you can do that. You can rewatch that part until it's sinking. Yeah. So, all right. So, let me go back to the funnel. Okay. So that's the way our funnel works, guys. You take visitors from the landing page to the checkout page, and then when they reach the thank you page, you know that they purchase your product, okay? And basically, guys, on the left hand side, you have your analytics, okay? If you click that, will tell you like reach goal. It's reached the goal of 1 and 100 because we go all the way through the funnel and land on the thank you page, okay? So it will give you the percentage of how your funnel is performing, okay? If you make any sales, it will tell you right here. As you can see, say 0, zero sales, zero order. Order is gonna say zero. Excuse me, hopefully, because there's no order in you don't make any sales yet. Okay. For product, there's no product because nothing sells. And in the next video, we're gonna talk about upsells and downsells if you guys interested in that. So we have a lot to cover, okay, guys? So upsells and downsells, that is a real key part of a funnel. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to the step. Okay, so that's where all this thing is. Okay, you check your specs, analytics, and all that. All right, you also can click this, and it also tell you the same information. Okay, so you say visitors, one conversions, it tell you the same thing. Okay, so please keep in mind that you can, click those as well. If you don't feel like to go over there, you can do that with that, okay? And you can also A/B test one click, guys. I'm gonna talk about A/B tests as you can see right here. And in the next live video, I'm going to be talk about A/B tests, how you can use it to leverage, like to make way more money, okay? And you also the upsells and downsells, that will also help you to make a lot of money, okay? Yes, so that is basically it's for the funnels. That's how you make a funnel, and make all the step. And if you need another step, you can just click here and just add step. Okay, you can add a page, or a pop-up inside of your funnel. Okay, and it will go down there. I'm just gonna do this for quick. I'm just gonna choose any funnels. I'm not gonna have it on there, and I'm just gonna say test just to show you guys how it work. Just gonna say add, and then when I had this is the page. Now I can edit it, I can do whatever I want with this page, and then it's a step inside the funnel now. Okay, so you can arrange it however you want it. You can have the test the landing page first, and then the test, then the checkout page, and the thank you page if you wanted to. You can do that, so you can add as many steps as possible, um, as you possibly can. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete the test. So next time in the funnel, I'm gonna be showing you some awesome tricks in the funnel that you guys can use to get more customer to purchase your stuff. And also I'm gonna be walking you through how to set up your members side of your website, so whenever your customer purchase the product, they actually can go to your membership side of the website to consume your videos. Okay, guys, so we have a lot to talk about um, in the builder. um, yeah, we have a lot to talk about in the builder, and that is exactly how the funnel work. As you can see, I take you guys through the actual funnel, show you guys how the funnel works and what's the goal you should have behind your funnel, and how you should do the benefits and all that for your funnels. Is everything clear, guys? Because we're about to wrap things up. Is everything clear, guys? Okay, no problem. All right. So in the last slide, I told you I was going to talk about what's coming new, and I told you we're going to talk about domain name registration. Okay. So every website you have to have a domain name. Okay. And we will go over this in the next video. We will start with domain name registration and then go back to the funnel. Let me see. Domain icon. So you just go on your browser and type domainicon.com. That's where you can. Oops, my thing is showing getting slow over here. But that's where you should go to get your domain name. As you can see, this is the website right here, and you're gonna have to type your name in there and all that. Okay. Um, but we will go over this in the next webinar. We will go over all that. So now that get me to tell you guys what's new, what's coming new. Okay, guys, what's coming new to Crop Builder? Crop Builder has some awesome new stuff going to be available soon. Okay, we're gonna have email marketing. We're gonna have tracking numbers. When I say tracking number, I mean like whenever a customer purchase something on your website, like a physical product, because that's the only thing shipped for you to give tracking number. If you go to the U.S. Post Office Service, we're gonna have that option embedded into Crop Builder in the e-commerce side, where you can go and just copy and paste that tracking number inside a Quack Builder, and so your customer can know how to track their product. That's gonna be pretty cool, isn't it? Um, next thing that's gonna new, we're gonna fully redesign the e-commerce. We're gonna have a lot of new features on the e-commerce coming, you know, such as the e-commerce analytics, and we're gonna have a lot more cool features like the description and a lot more variation for the e-commerce side of the builder. Okay. And guess what? This is the most excited part of every other update. Otherwise, from the e-commerce update, we're going to be having affiliate on every e-commerce website, and that's a good news because you guys can now leverage other people to promote your product and services, and then you can give them a commission. Okay. So, as you can see, we do everything to get you guys to be successful. All right. So a lot of other builders and a lot of other company does not do that. So the basically the e-commerce, anybody, not the e-commerce, excuse me, hopefully the affiliate, every anybody can just come to your website if they want to join your affiliate program and just join it, and you can give them whatever percentage you want to give them, such as 20 percentage, 10 percentage, 15% of all the sales they drive to your website, and so on and so forth. Is that awesome, guys? Would you guys love a features like that? And as you can see, guys, attractive teams. We're gonna have some more teams coming. As we tell you guys before, we always update our teams. We always add new teams from time to time. You know, sometimes we add them like 2 months apart, 3 months apart. Sometimes 6 months, and also sometime in a year. Okay, and we're trying to touch in every industry. Okay, so no matter what kind of industry you guys into, yeah, you can definitely build a professional website with Quap Builder. And please, guys, always keep in mind that you guys are not alone. We always here to help you. We always here to help you. Whatever question you have or whatever you need to get done, we can do it here for you. We have our web design team. We have Trishana right here. She's really good. She's my assistant. Um, so any help you guys need is either me or Trishana can help you to make and get your website the way you want it to be. So these are what new, a lot more new cool stuff to come. So basically, guys, we over here working working hard, guys, just to make sure that you guys have everything you need to take your business to the next level. We also gonna have some marketing tips for you guys. We also gonna have some SEO tips for you guys, etc. So we're trying to touch as many topic as we can. Please, guys. Also, you guys can help us talk about topic that you think that we should touch in the next webinar. Okay, say I am looking forward to that. Okay, I know I'm looking forward to that too. It's clear to me. Yes, thank God it's clear. I hope it's clear to everybody as well. Thank you for all the information. I appreciate you at Quack Builder, you and Quack Builder. No problem. Really appreciate you guys too. That's why we're here to help you grow your business online. I am about to sign off. Good night. Okay. All right. Good night. Please make sure you guys share this video and also make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because and click the post notification bell so you can notify as well whenever we go live, because anything can happen. Like, what if we send out an email and you don't get the email? Then the YouTube can tell you when we live, okay? Or when we upload a new video that you asked us for, okay? So if you subscribe and click the bell, you will definitely know when we release those videos. So you can go and you can watch it and you can implement it right away. Okay, so that's with Quad Builder. Anything we design it for you to get what you want to done fast. Okay, so we design it for you guys to take control back over all the web designer that want to charge you tons of money for nothing, for nothing, right? So yeah. Um, Okay. I'm over to okay. Yeah, so basically we're about to sign off, guys. Please, if you need me to touch anything else in the next webinar, you can email me or you can leave it in the comment section and I will definitely try to read back all the comments and see what you guys left for me. Um, that Stripe video, I know it should come out because you said you need that Stripe video. I'm gonna try to get that out. Um, yeah, and let me know what other video you want me to make regarding that. Okay, guys, thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for attending the webinar. Please like and share, and I will see you in the next video. Want to say bye, Trishana?
Bye.
Okay, so Trishana say bye, guys. So she will see you in the next webinar as well. I'm trying to get her to talk more in the webinar, but she kind of, trying to help me out with the comment and so on and so forth. All right, guys. So have a good night, guys. I will see you in the next webinar. All right, good night to everyone.